All right. So I hope you all have done the adjective sheet that was sent to you yesterday on the WhatsApp group. Anyone who has a doubt in the sheet or something that is not clear? All right. I'm giving you the sheet. This was the sheet, right? Gariman, you could have do it on a piece of paper or something. You cannot give these excuses now that your exams are approaching. 6B, I hope you are clear with the syllabus. Yes. Chapter 4, 5, poem 2, chapter 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 18 and 22. Right? I hope you have seen the syllabus on the school website. It is for the entire session. Just subtract the syllabus, like you can see for 6, just subtract your periodic test syllabus. Fine. And your class test syllabus. So you are left with chapter 4, 5. Right? And chapter lesson number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 18 and 24 for your grammar. For your writing skills will be taken on Zoom. Like right now I'm taking your class on the same day. Supposedly your English test is on 14th October, let's say. Fine. Let's say you have your test on 14th of October for English. Whatever the timings of the test are, you have to give the test on your Atlantic. No, Srijanya 1, 2, 3 will not come. No, Vanchika, only chapter number 4 and 5 will come, as chapter 1 has been taken in periodic and 2, 3 in your class test. Priyanshi, either leave my class or sit straight.
Ma'am, chapter 4 and 5 in half yearly.
Yes, Mehul, only chapter 4 and 5. If you have seen the
Ma'am,
syllabus that is uploaded, Mehul, just wait. Just wait. If you have seen the syllabus uploaded on the website in half yearly, it says all the chapters. But what instructions I have given you already on Thursday also, that only the chapters that has not come in your periodic and class test will be taken up in your half yearly examination. So that means only chapter 4, 5 and poem 2 will come in your literature. In grammar, you will have your lesson 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 18 and 22. Now I was explaining you about writing skills. See, suppose you have this exam for, let's say, 20 minutes. Fine, you will have your MCQs. You will give your exam for 20 minutes. Let's say from in the morning you have given from 10 to 10:20. So let's say at 12 o'clock you will have your Zoom meeting where you will have to write the questions for your writing skills on a piece of paper in the given time only. You will have this 40 minutes only to write down your paper. Then you have to make the PDF with your name. Suppose Dolly has done the paper, she will write on the paper itself, Dolly 6th B. She will make the PDF and mail it to me. If your writing skills are starting from 12, so 1:30 will be the deadline for sending your paper on my mail. After 1:30, you will get a 0.
Ma'am, please recite month, ma'am.
Again, I'm telling you, for your literature and grammar, you have to give the test on Atlantic. Whereas for your writing skills, you have to write down your answers at your home on the piece of paper only, and then you have to mail that paper in the form of image or PDF to my mail ID. No, Srijanya, no need to write the
रबड़ कहाँ है?
Priyanshi, please listen to the instruction, Priyanshi Darbarwal. The syllabus has been uploaded on the school website. I'm not saying on the software. The school website is princepublicschool.com. Please do not unmute yourself and start speaking. Yes, Vanchika.
Ma'am, ma'am, I have a doubt that, ma'am, in the exams, ma'am, the chapter that are in the syllabus means all we do not have to prepare that. We only have to prepare fourth and fifth.
Yes. Yes, Vanchika, that is what I'm saying. There are all the chapters that we have covered in half yearly. But in half yearly exam, the chapters, this is for all your subjects. The chapters which have not been included in your periodic test 1 and class test will come for your half yearly examination. We have done chapter 1 and poem 1 in your periodic 1 and chapter 2 and 3
Yes,
in your
ma'am.
class test. Right? So what is left?
Yes,
Chapter 4, 5 and poem 2.
and right.
Yes, so this will come in your half yearly for English.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Thank you.
yes,
And ma'am, I
Dolly.
have a doubt in ES also.
We'll come to ES. Let me just discuss the exam pattern.
Okay, ma'am.
Dolly, you can take up your doubts.
Ma'am, I want to ask that like you are saying our exams will be on Atlantic also and on Zoom also. Ma'am, how we will get that?
Actually, that will be mentioned in your date sheet also. And on the day of the exam, you will get the Zoom link from me.
Ma'am, there will be the paper on Atlantic also in MCQ type and on Zoom also in the
Yes,
subjective type.
yes, Dolly, for English, you will have grammar and literature on Atlantic in the form of MCQ. But for writing skills, you will have a Zoom class.
Ma'am, what will come in writing skills like comprehension, passage, story writing?
Yes, correct.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, we have to write the questions also.
No, no need of writing the questions. You can simply write answer number 1, so and so.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Mehul.
Ma'am, the paper will be on Zoom app also and Atlantic.
Yes, Mehul. Both Zoom and Atlantic.
Ma'am, in Atlantic, ma'am, grammar will become.
Grammar and literature both.
And ma'am, Zoom app also.
Zoom, I'm only writing skills. Your comprehension, you have to read a passage and answer the question based on that passage.
Okay,
And
ma'am.
one writing part.
Ma'am, that sheet was uploaded.
Date sheet will be uploaded. Wait for the date sheet.
Okay, ma'am.
Aaron, the exam on Atlantic is objective. The exam to be given on Zoom is subjective. Literature and grammar is on Atlantic. Writing skills is on what? Zoom.
Ma'am, then our paper will be done on Atlantic, then uh, we without options paper
No,
only.
bache, with options. You will get the options.
Ma'am, we have to write.
No, bache, you do not have to write on Atlantic. You have to mark. You have to just choose the correct options.
Ma'am, then we submit the paper, ma'am. The paper will be submitted to you.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Shijana.
Ma'am, for the grammar or literature, it will be now multiple correct will be there.
No, bache, single correct options. Multiple options
Okay,
will be given, but the answer will be only one correct.
okay, ma'am.
Gariba and the school is planning from 5 October. Let's see what happens. At least practicals will be starting from the first or the second week of October. Most probably the first week of October. Yes, Shijana.
Ma'am, during the practicals also there will be classes.
During practicals, yes, you have your classes, but theory, no. Might be you have your classes. I'm not very sure about practicals. Might be one or two revision class you might have.
Ma'am, I
Okay,
got
ma'am.
the syllabus.
All right, Priyanshin, please do not speak in between. Wait for your turn. You know the rules. Can we discuss the sheet now, everyone? If we are clear with the half yearly examination pattern of English. All right. Let's see question number 7. Correct the following sentences. Now you have to tell me the errors in question number 7. The climate of Bangalore is milder than Delhi. Priyanshi, you can download it for your own, reference. Okay. Yes, Pratiksha.
The climate of Bengaluru is better than Delhi.
Okay. We have changed the word. Dolly.
The climate of Bangalore is mildest than the Delhi.
No, that is wrong. How many sounds are there in mild? Yes, Vanshika.
There are three sounds in mild.
3 sounds, right? So what will come here?
Ma'am, the answer for this is more mild.
Very good. The climate of Bangalore is more mild than Delhi. B part. This is my chiefest object to your plan. Objection to your plan, sorry. Only Vanshika has done the work, others? No, Harshita. Read the sentence. Yes, Dhwani.
This is my most chief objection to your plan.
No. Yes, Vanshika.
This is my most chief objection to your plan.
No. Yes, Dolly.
More cheaper.
No, Dolly.
This is my chief objection to your plan.
Yes, this is a simple sentence. There is no comparison and there is no when there is no comparison between two peoples or more than two peoples, we cannot use comparative or superlative degree. Simple. It will be the positive degree. It is my chief objection to your plan. Chief here is means most important. Read the sentence, bache, read it. There is no comparison. Which is the easier to learn, French, German, or English? Yes, Aryan?
Easiest.
Excellent. Easiest because there are 3 languages given. Good. Of all other students, she is the most promising. Yes, Srijanya?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the answer.
Of all the other students, she is the most. From all the students, she is the most promising.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone else who wants to try? Yes, Dolly?
Of all the students, she is more promising.
More. Did you say more, Dolly?
Yes, ma'am.
No, bache, see. In this, of all the other students, the word is other. When we are saying other, we are not doing any comparison. Of all the other students, other means, sorry, we are doing more than one comparison, more than 2 comparisons. So it will be the most only. This is the correct
Ma'am,
sentence.
but
Of all the other, there is no error, bache. Of and
Ma'am, but
from, we are
here,
not doing prepositions. Yes, I have written correct the following sentences. Of all the students, she is the most promising. The word other will be removed. See, whenever we use the word other means you are not included in that group. But if we want to show that she is in a group of this class, so we will say of all the students, she is the most promising. The word other will not come on. Fine. So the correction is removal of the other word. Of all the students, she is the most promising. Even his next relation deserted him in his misfortune. Come on, write the answers. Okay. Yes, Vanchika, you are very close. What will come instead of this word that you have written? Vanchika, you get the correct word. Okay. The mistake in this sentence is that next will not come. So instead of next, what words will come or what word will come? Yes, Vanchika, you can speak.
What word comes here?
Yes, Brianchi, you have to cut that word. No, Aryan. Think. It starts with N only. Okay, a hint, it starts with N only. And it will be in superlative degree. Now think. No. Very good, Srijana. You can speak the answer.
Nearest.
Nearest relations. See,
Friends,
next
friendly.
means that is something that is put on the side of us. But relations means something that is near to us. So even his nearest relation, that means his closest relations, deserted him in his misfortune. Means when he was facing sadness, when he was facing problems, everyone was away from him. That's why I started with question number 7. I know you have done all the questions correctly. Okay, for sixth, form two adjectives from these words and use them in a sentence of your own to show the difference in their meaning. Who will tell me any of this? A, B, C, D, E, F. Anyone who wants to tell me that how you have changed the word into adjective and then show me your sentences. Speak your sentences. Not show, but speak. Vanshika, just 1 minute, bacha. If I want to see if any other wants to try. Only Vanshika has done the sheet. Okay, Mehul. Mehul, unmute yourself. Others just try. Yes, Vanshika, give them a hint how to do this question.
Ma'am, in this question we have to ma'am give the similar adjective words and frame sentences for that.
Examples, which examples? Give me the examples.
Ma'am, like for love, I have made lovely and beautiful.
Very good. Lovely is correct. Beautiful is
And
changed. Achye. Yes, Kanika, that is correct. See, how you have to
and
show
the
the
sentence
difference.
for that is how lovely weather is it?
What a lovely weather it is. I love my mother. So this is the difference between love and lovely. Like this, you have to explain question number 6. Since the time is left, that's okay, Shijanya. Let me take the quick test of those who have not given. Diksha, Diksha is here. Diksha, okay. Mehul, Mehul, unmute yourself. Six B, the work is still not given. Mehul, I have to take your dictation now. Please unmute yourself. I'm showing you the compliance also. Till then, others can see their work. Yes, Mehul.
Given dictation.
Yes, dictation. Just tell me the spellings orally, Mehul. Okay, Mehul,
Okay.
ready?
Okay.
Tell me the spelling of bombarded.
BOOM
Hmm.
BARDED.
Okay. Truth.
And can I write also?
No, no need to write. I'm just saying. Mehul, the spelling of diverged.
Remember
Diverged.
DIV
Hmm.
B for Ben DIBERSED.
Hmm. Hmm.
Diverse.
Very good. What is the spelling of undergrowth? Hmm.
UNDERGROWTH.
Hmm. Excellent, Mehul. One more word. Okay. What is the spelling of manner?
MANNER.
Very good, Mehul. All right, Mehul. Do we have Ritesh, Riya, Rujal, Krishna, Jessica, Gunjan,
Ma'am, dictation not done.
Dipanshu? Yes, which I have marked you. Diksha, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Bacha, have you given the dictation, Diksha?
Yes, ma'am.
What are your marks? I have not written your marks. Can you tell me your marks?
Ma'am, I got 10 marks. Sorry, ma'am, 9 marks.
Okay, Diksha, thank you. Dipanshu,
And ma'am, and this sheet we have to submit till which date?
Bache, we will discuss the answers in the class only, like we have done do two. Next, we'll discuss on Thursday. So you can submit
Okay,
me
ma'am.
on Thursday. This
Okay,
is
ma'am.
for revision. This does not include any marks. This is just for revision. Your marks ES has been completed.
Tuesday.
Others, please send me the work. All right. Other questions, I guess you are able to do it. Still, if you have any problem in adjective, let me know. And Thursday we'll discuss very quickly adjectives. That is left if you have any doubt. And we'll take chapter number 4. Let's see chapter number 4 and 5 both. For literature, I will ask you simple filling the blanks type questions for your practice. Fine? Fair enough? All right, class. So I'm ending the day for today. Keep revising. Please use your WhatsApps for you asking me the doubts. Dolly asks me doubts. Vanchika does. Srijanya does. But if you are studying at home carefully and you're not facing a single doubt, I do not agree with that. I do not believe it that you are practicing. Okay, Karthik, do that. Not an issue. All right, everyone. Have a nice day. Please
Okay, ma'am.
start
Bye, ma'am.
studying. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.